1.2. What is Audatex? Audatex is the industry's leading estimating software. It's what body shops, insurers, and engineers all use to calculate the cost of repairing a damaged vehicle. It's trusted across the entire industry because it produces accurate, consistent, and up-to-date repair estimates that every insurance provider recognizes. Now, what makes Audatex so reliable is the data behind it. Audatex works hand in hand with Thatcham Research, who physically strip and rebuild real vehicles to record every detail: how long each repair process takes, what tools and materials are needed, and exactly how components fit together. That means when you're using Audatex, you're not guessing. Every labor time, paint allowance, and parts price is based on real-world data that's been tested and verified. Even the parts prices are kept live and regularly updated, so your estimates always reflect the latest costs direct from manufacturers. So when you build an estimate in Audatex, you're essentially working to the same standards as insurers, manufacturers, and professional engineers. It's precise, it's respected, and it's the backbone of how modern vehicle estimating works.